How to open Starling bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply search for Starling bank on your Google browser or any other browser. After that, you will be able to find this option of open a bank account online. Just simply select it and this is where it will take you. Now all you have to do is just simply click on this option of apply now. Now just select whether you want a personal account, business account or sole trader account. Just select it and then click on this option of continue. In this video, we are taking the example of personal account. Now select whether you are a new customer or existing customer of Starling. So in this video, we will select new customer and click on continue. Now just give your first name and click on continue. After that, it would require you to provide your phone number. And after that, this is where it will take you. Now all you have to do is just scan this particular QR code with your mobile device, and after that it will take you to Play Store and you would have to download the application of Starling Bank. After that, just finish your application on the app itself, and after that they will review your application and provide you with further details. And then they will send you a debit card, and this way you would be able to open a Starling bank account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.